As we embark on this 14-kilometer hike, each step unfolds the breathtaking layer of the wonders of nature. The vibrant energy of the landscape embraces us, while the whisper of the winter sun carries stories of the earth's timeless beauty. Looking down upon our small town from this elevated sanctuary, we are reminded of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. United in faith and fun, both young and old shared a day of joy, laughter and fellowship, from playful pictures and poses. Finally, a grand performance. Every moment was a blessing.